attended the course, 2 days course on leadership in the age of AI. This course was designed in such a way, it was different course. We learned a lot. We learned how to use the AI technology. We learned how to formulate the teams. We were competing each other. It was just a different experience and we just loved it. We loved it. We learned out of it, and I congratulate ABL management to conduct such a nice course.
I've attended 2 days course on AI. It was amazing experience, giving us a 360 view how AI can help us create a positive disruption while keeping the human touch.
Hi, I'm Hamza Mudassir. I am a fellow and a lecturer in strategy at the Cambridge University's Judge Business School. It has been an absolute pleasure coming here, teaching a class of executives from all over Allied Bank and teaching them regarding leadership in the age of artificial intelligence. The class was super engaged. I absolutely loved teaching them. We discussed case studies regarding artificial intelligence impact on the banking sector, and the conversation was enlightening, engaging, and the class dynamic was wonderful. We talked a lot about Tesla and Elon Musk and his leadership style, and we took the lessons and then we implemented it into a pretty high-end artificial intelligence powered simulation in which the participants took on the role of Elon Musk. The energy in the room was amazing. I've never seen a class of executives this engaged. It has been a wonderful experience. Couldn't have asked for a better class. Wonderful setup. The training rooms, the training equipment, the atmosphere of the training center, incredible. World class, absolutely. I've lived in a variety of Western cities for a large part of my life, and Allied Bank setup is potentially one of the best I've seen. A big thanks to the ABL management team for inviting me over, and I hope we continue to have a deep partnership.